Dear students, today we will be discussing about one personality, Bhai Taru Singh ji, who had a unique importance in the Sikh history. Every day, the Sikhs perform the ardas, and in ardas there are few lines, and in that there is a word khopdiyan lohaiyan. He is the person whose head was cut, his hairs were cut. And there is another line, Sikhi kesa swasa naal nibhai. He was asked to breast the Islam, but he said, ना तो मैं अपने केस कटावांगा और ना ही मैं इस्लाम को एक्सेप्ट करूंगा. And he sacrificed his life at a very young age of 25. Regarding him, a very prominent writer, Ratan Singh Pangu, he wrote a book in 1846, that is Prachin Panth Prakash. And for your information, Ratan Singh Pangu fought the first Anglo-Sikh war and the famous Battle of Sabraon in 1846. He sacrificed his life, the same battle which everyone remembers, when Shah Muhammad said, "Aj howe sarkar te mul pave jadiyan khalse ne te gam maadiyan ne Shah Muhammad da ek sarkar bajo vaja jit ke ant nu maari." In that battle, he sacrificed his life. And Ratan Singh Pangu is from the lineage of Mehtab Singh Mirakotia, the same person who killed Massa Rangad Singh. Massa Rangad Singh, who used to have a dance of the prostitutes in the Harmandir Sahib, he cut his head. So, Ratan Singh Pangu have written in detail about Bhai Taru Singh. Taru Singh ji was born on 6th October 1720 at a village Pula in Amritsar district of Punjab. Some scholars say this Pula is in the Kasur and district Lahore of West Punjab, Pakistan. But generally it is considered it is in Amritsar, India. He had one sister, younger sister, Taru or Tarkor. His father's name was Bhai Jodh Singh and mother's name was Bibi Taru. He was a Jat Sikh Sandhu. His father died in one of the battles against the Afghans. Taru Singh was very young at that time. He was brought up by his mother, Bibi Taramkot. He was baptized and he learned the principles of Sikhism. He had a small piece of land and he used to do the farming. Whatever he earns from agriculture, he used to serve the Sikhs with the food and used to have langar. He always recited the hymns of Guru Granth Sahib. When he used to serve the food to the young fighters who were fighting against the Muslims in the forests, one Har Bhagat Naranjaniya, who is also known as Akil Das of Jandiala, He is from the same lineage of Babe Handiala. Babe Handiala was a contemporary of third Guru, Guru Amar Das. He complained about the Bhai Taru Singh ji to the Mughal authorities, and at that time it was Zakaria Khan who was the Subedar of Lahore of Punjab. And he accused Bhai Taru Singh ji that he is plotting a revolt against the Zakaria Khan. Akil Das complained about both Bhai Taru Singh ji as well as his sister Taru. When police came to arrest both in the village, all the people got furious. They said, you cannot take these people from the village, because they were having a respectable position in the village. But ultimately, Bhai Taru Singh ji said, I will go and Bibi Taru ji will remain in the village. Bhai Sahib was brought to Lahore. He was tortured, and ultimately he was put before Zakaria Khan, who asked Bhai Sahib to embrace the Islam. But Bhai Sahib said, "Manu Sikhi pyari." Then he ordered to cut Bhai Sahib from the skull with a sharp knife, so that his hair could fall. This happened on 9th June 1745. Bhai Sahib was left to bleed and the slow death. Once Bhai Sahib was put in prison, Zakaria Khan developed a pain in his stomach and unable to urinate. His pain was unbearable. Then he asked his advisors, and they told Zakaria Khan that he should ask for the forgiveness from the Khalsa. His advisors went to the Khalsa, but they refused to perform the ardas for Zakaria Khan. They said only Bhai Sahib, Taru Singh ji blessings could save. Then it was said that he had a shoe on his head of Bhai Sahib, and his pain was slightly lesser, and he was relieved from his problem. Bhai Sahib continuously for 22 days he was bleeding. Ultimately, Bhai Sahib went to Sachkhand on 1st July 1745, just of 25 years of age. He was cremated outside the Delhi Gate, Lahore, where later on Shaheed Ganj was developed at Lahore. The martyrdom of Bhai Taru Singh ji is remembered in the Sikh history. He is one of the martyrs who cannot be forgotten in the Punjab. Thank you very much.